Okay. Hi Kyle. I'll show you what's happening with this. Okay. It's actually acting so weird. I don't know why. So I'll start with 168 Lincoln. So what I'm going to do is I'll be searching it here first to get the comparables. So just give me a second. And then this one I'll get the comparables, which is the 7 comparables that we have. So there's it. Just give me a second. So 1144 and 1544. Okay, so that's gonna be okay. So we're just still getting 8. So we need 7. Okay, there you go. So I have 7 comparables. What I'm going to do is copy paste that on my notepad. Okay. Because this is much convenient for me. So, okay. Okay. So I got 7 comparables. Then after this, I'll be entering that to the Soho. So 7 for this property. So for this comparables, so I'll be entering it one by one. And the subject property is once again 168 Lincoln. So 168 Lincoln. 229 900. $168 Lincoln. 240. Okay. 168 Lincoln. And then another subject property is 168 Lincoln. Still the same. 2, 1, 2, 3. Next. 168. 290. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 168. 325. 1, 2, 3. So the last one, 168 Lincoln, 370. Okay, so I already entered the 7 comparables, and then when I check it here, here's what happened. The subject property is ending at 6470, but it shows here that this 6470, 6470, 6470. So starting from what do you call 19 Holland here. So 1, 2, 3 subject are incorrect. I don't understand what's happening on this one. So yeah, this actually happened yesterday as well. Just want to explain what's happening with this. So yeah, for now, I'll just send this video to you, and then you can check it out what's happening, and then I can also get back in the morning time and try it again. I just want to share what's happening. Thank you.